from Group 13. We will explain about paratext in translation. Paratext in translation is a term that refers to everything around the translated text that provides additional information about the text itself. This paratext helps the reader or recipient of the translated text to understand the context, authenticity, and relevance of the text. Jadi, parateks di translation ini adalah istilah yang merujuk pada segala hal di sekitar penerjemahan teks yang memberikan informasi tambahan tentang teks itu sendiri. Parateks in translation juga membantu penerjemah untuk memahami konteks, keaslian, dan relevansi teks tersebut.
Okay guys, it's my turn to read the next. This is difference between text and paratext. Text refers to the core or substance of a written work. It is the part that provides information, develops the story, conveys an argument, or expresses an idea. When we read a novel, for example, the text is the plot itself, the characters, and the message the author is conveying. Paratext is all the elements that surround the main text. This includes the title, cover, introduction, footnotes, table of contents, and more. Paratext provide contents and interpretive assistance to the reader. For example, a book cover can provide clues about the genre of the themes. An introduction can provide background on the author or manuscript, and the table of contents guides the readers through the structure of the text.
Okay. Slide 4. Slide 4 is bibliography or reference list. This section contains a list of the bibliography or reference used in the translate the text, and then there is initial quotation of epigraphy. That is translate text may begin with a quotation text from the original the text, and then from another relevant and other, and then title. In the context of translation, the title should be translated accurate to reflect the meaning and purpose of the original the text. And then index or table of contents. This is a tool that helps readers navigate the translate text more efficient. And then 5, there is a explanation or preface. That is, preface is a section of the text is added to provide background, purpose of context for the text. And then glossary or list of terms. In the translate text, especially if the text contains specialist terminology, there may be a list of terms that provides definition or explanation of these terms. And then the last is footnotes or endnotes. Endnotes are used to provide additional explanation, reference, or direct quotes from the original source. Okay. And then the last slide is slide 5. Slide 5 is consolation difference between text and paratext. Between text is their texts are very important in this translation process because they help clarify and contextualize and provide additional information needed to fully understand the translate text. A good translator must pay attention to and consider this element so that the translation result can be accordance with the original purpose of the text. And then the paratext is all the elements that surround the main text. This includes the title, cover, introduction, footnotes, and table of contents, and more. Paratext provides context and interpretive aids to the reader. For example, a book cover might give a hint about the genre or theme. And then introduction might give a background on the author of manuscript, and a table of contents guide the reader to the structure of the text. And then the text reference to the heart of substance of the piece of writing. It is the part that provides information and develops the story, conference and argument, or expenses and idea. When we read a novel, for example, the text is plot itself, the character and the message the author is conveying. Thank you.